Hi, my name is Dee, and I own an online business on the Shopify platform. And I've been working with Unico for a while with their packaging products. They were actually recommended to me by a fellow business owner and a friend, so I really trust her recommendation. And she told me that they should be my go-to for packaging, and they are my go-to for packaging because the product itself is so high quality and so beautiful. So I really feel confident when I ship out the product that the minute the customer gets the product and opens the box, the whole experience is so positive, and that makes me happy. It makes the shopping experience happy, and the whole experience on my site from beginning to very, very end is crucial for my business. So they recently added these decks of cards, and I didn't know if I wanted anything like that. I wasn't sure that it would add to my store. And then I realized what the decks of cards were. They're these positive affirmation cards, and it's all about self-empowerment, self-love. Like if you really want to start your day right, you just pick a card and go for it. So I started adding these decks of cards to the checkout. And now I feel like I've really completed the whole shopping experience. So there is the website that's laid out so beautiful, right? And then you have the experience of going through the site and scrolling in a way that is very user-friendly. Then you get to the checkout, and then you get offered a beautiful, positive product. So it's beautiful to look at, and it also warms your heart, and it empowers you. And I feel like every family should have a deck of cards like this in their house, at least one. I really feel that way. So I started offering them in the checkout, and I love these cards, and now I'm realizing that my customers love these cards as well. So from that all the way to the packaging, the whole experience is amazing. Unico has leveled up my business, basically. And I highly recommend Unico for any business owner. If you're a small business owner that has a business online like myself, Unico is your go-to. It's not only their high quality packaging, but it's also the customer support. They are so responsive, and they're actually so kind that I really see myself just working into the future with Unico. Really from the high quality packaging to the gorgeous decks of cards that I love so much, to the incredible and exceptional customer service. Really, I feel supported. So I highly, highly recommend Unico. Yeah, run, don't walk.